TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Friday morning, everybody. Tommy O'Brien, TFNN. It's 9 a.m. Let's take a look at what we have driving these markets this morning. So we're looking at the SPY here. We have the markets up slightly. S&P futures up about 6.75 points. Dow futures up about 35. NASDAQ up about 20. Gold relatively flat at $12.53. Oil just above the $50 price point, 50.04. Silver up 16 cents. And let's jump around to that VIX. We like to see what kind of premium we got coming in this market. And of course, as we've crept yesterday, slightly positive day, VIX pulling back overnight with the futures being up positive slightly, VIX pulling back, and it's continuing to decline. We'll see how Friday shakes out and see if anybody wants to be long this market over the weekend with news possibly coming in, all the political turmoil, let alone. Let's see how that shakes out. Could have a wild day in the markets, could be calm, but VIX pulling back after that overnight high of 1630 on Thursday. Gap released their earnings last night. Another retailer, always checking out these retailers, and they had good numbers. Gap trading higher last night as high as 25. We're trading at 24.35 this morning. And as far as what they came out with, they had pretty decent numbers. Let's see, we'll pull this over so you can check it out. Gap said in February to April, its financial first quarter, there we are, net income came in at $143 million, or 36 cents a share, up from $127 million, 32 cents per share a year before. And the big one, the market had predicted 29 cents a share. Interesting to see a company like Gap, which is, you know, the company has Gap, Banana Republic, Old Navy, huge retailers in terms of the mall storefronts, and they're doing well in terms of overall revenue was unchanged. And revenue at stores open at least 1 year, a crucial metric. Same-store sales, where I was hearing it, rose 2% in the quarter, compared with a 5% decline for the same period in 2016. So that's quite a turnaround. We'll see if they can hold on to that. Interesting setup for sure. Jumping over to the Nadex platform, we saw that VIX trading at about 13 and change. Here's our S&P. Slightly higher in the overnight session. At about 4 in the morning, we got some acceleration to the upside. Jumping around, we usually take a look at the binaries. Let's take a look at the spreads today. I'm over here on the indices spreads, and that is a quick 3 minutes. But here are your spreads, and jumping over, I wanted to take a look at the NASDAQ 100 today because that has some volatility. Here's our spreads trading at about 56.50. There's your daily spread if you wanted to, 40 points. If you were going to go short, opportunities, risking one to make three. Stay tuned, folks. Great day of programming. Basil Chapman coming. Larry Pezzimento next. There we go.
In quiet markets, investors search for new trading opportunities. We'd like to introduce you to a new product that provides opportunities even in flat markets. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a new and innovative Chicago-based exchange registered with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their trading platform. Nadex never charges a fee to use their platform, which even includes real-time charts and full customization capability. Nadex's unique short-term binary options allow traders and investors to capitalize on strategies even when the underlying markets are quiet. Nadex's innovation has allowed them to come up with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com, or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors.